video on a fidget spinner and I'm gonna show my friend who's behind the camera filming on how to do a couple of tricks. Like you got the one where you switch fingers and stuff like crap. Like go like this. You got one you can switch fingers and stuff like that. I'm gonna teach him how to do it. And so here you go. And then I'm gonna flip this around and so yeah. So we're going to God, man, this asthma is really killing me.
I'm doing it. I just did it 3 times.
I know, but here we're going to set the camera up over here. So, well, I'm gonna try to like no. So like we're gonna set the camera up here, and then I'm gonna teach you. So let's step over here, cause it's gonna hear us from over here. Cause the microphone's right here. All right. So first things first, you wanna learn how to spin it just like this. So try that.
Oh, I can't just.
I mean, you can do that, but the thing is, when people do it, you gotta learn how to spin it. So you can just like look like this. Look, see, this is what I like to do with this finger, and then so when I go like this, it still gives me a time to prepare. Because if I go like this, if I go like this, right? By the time I flip it over, it's gonna waste energy of the spin. So if I go like this, it's gonna slow down faster. But just try. There's no other word about that. Just try. Hold on. Try going like this. Do like that.
And we know everybody has it, but don't. I did it all.
Just try like just throwing it up and catching it. See, what I like to think about is just look at the thumb pad, and then you just toss it and just catch it. And go practice that, and I'll break back. And watch out, you're in the shot. That's all.
He said, watch out, you're in the shot, man.
What is that voice? Hey, you know, this, if you live on this,
Alright guys, well, we're gonna go off camera and I'm gonna keep teaching him. It seems like he can get it, like at least get 2. And so we're gonna go off camera so I can teach him. Alright, so guys, I've been teaching him how to do it. He got it, he just gotta focus more. I even told him the secret on how you start to learn how to really learn is that you think about you catching it. Come on, don't blur up on me now. So that was you just like, yeah, like you just think about it. Just like try it on your middle, like this finger right here, your middle finger, cause that's what I do. Cause then I can switch it over. So I'm like, and I just think about just doing it. Bro, like, try spinning it faster, cause
the faster I spin it, the slower.
Yeah, cause cause what happens is start to just really. See, like you got it. It's just your finger is like. Just try to just keep your finger clear. But I'm gonna back up son and zoomed in. I'm gonna back up so I can zoom in. Just stay right there. You'll know he'll catch it because bro, the guys was weird is that you were actually catching it off camera, but then when it's on camera you can't catch it. Really just focus. Try throwing it a little lower. Oh, you got it. You got it, guys. Guys, now I'm gonna teach them how to here, show me. So I'm gonna teach them how to throw it. Hold on. I'm gonna teach them how to do this. How to switch hands. and I'm gonna show him a line that I'll taught myself. It's the hold on. It starts off like this, then this, and then. Well, it's actually mostly just like this, and this, and it's this. So basically, it goes and then it's really simple. It's a simple line that I do when I'm out in public or I'm around my school, and the people are trying to learn how to do stuff, cool tricks and stuff. I usually just do that around them, that they just want to learn how to do it. So yeah, and also I like this one because there's no bearings on the side because they're, you know, it's
You
easier.
do know that I don't think there's a SIM card in this?
It is a SIM card. It's recording right now. See? It's recording. See,
here.
Now, just try switching thing. Try throwing it.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's the thing. Like, it will bite your finger. Like, you won't know it until it even happens. Like, you won't feel it. You just feel a little. It's like you be like, oh, what's that? And then you literally in a second later will feel it. So yeah, we're gonna start recording now, and then I'm gonna teach you how to do it off camera.
I almost did it. Oh wait, I gotta spin it.
Alright, so yeah. Alrighty, guys. So yeah. So don't worry about the qualities because this is a 720p.
You coming in?
No, you do not, because if you do, I'm gonna jump in front of you.
Oh, well, maybe.
Spin this one for me.
Thank you,
You spin this one for me?
bro.
You put it in my hand?
I just put it in right now.
Oh, never mind. Alright, look,
I'm
look.
filming.
I'm gonna switch them.
No, I'm going
Think. I did it.
Here, let me try.
Here, take yours.
Try switching hands. Watch out, you're in it.
No, it's that hand.
Anaya, I'm gonna do it.
That's what's good. And it's still spinning. Well, sorry to slow down because you probably had tapped it.
Don't throw it.
He actually got it, guys. See?
I
See, guys? You're... Can you stop? Stop it shooting. Alright, let's shoot the intro. I'm in down show. Stop. Alright, so guys, I told you guys it is possible to learn how to do it.
In one day.
Yes, and I told him that one day. It took me like 3 days to do it, so
That's
watch
better.
out, please. So yeah, it took us like, I taught him in a day, and I learned.
It wasn't even a day, it's like half an hour.
Well, actually, yeah, it was like at least a half an hour.
don't know how to do that now.
Watch out, also, guys, if you have these ones, and you drop it, you have no shoes on and no socks on, bro, I feel bad for you because it went in your foot, because it like hurt so bad.
Yo, that's what.
Like soon. So yeah. So yeah, guys, let's shoot out. Let's go.
It didn't hurt, but it stung.
So yeah, I taught him how to do it. It was really simple. Go subscribe to him. I'm gonna leave a link to his channel below. Subscribe to mine. Like this video. What?
I did it. I did the thing.
Oh yeah, he did do it. Alright, but yeah, I'm gonna leave a link to his channel right here. Probably gonna like leave a little thing. I'm gonna leave this little annotation thing is right here over his face. So like right where he's standing, that's where it is. So this is the end of the video, and
I fought.
stand back up.
Yeah.
And I'll leave it right there, and I'll leave my channel right next to this. So peace. Alrighty, guys, a little behind the scenes of that's Jason.
Jason, all right.
No, Baxter's next. But yeah, next we were supposed to film with this. I was supposed to come up in the hoverboard with the fidget spinner in my hand and stuff. But this is just the behind the scenes for it. So yeah.